on this while I was praying, prophesying some lady from Promo Spirit, and I said, this is major, Lord. It's not supposed to just be given to a person, it is to be given to the whole church. The places of visitation of God are places of His habitation. You understand? You must master the art of inviting God into your life. Master the frequency ongachuna inguyo and God visits you. Understand lezi zinto zenzayo ezisondeza itouch yaNkulunkulu nokwenza kwaNkulunkulu nokuhamba kwakho noNkulunkulu. There are certain days whereby when you sing a certain song, you feel the presence of God. It means God visited you there. In the book of Genesis chapter number 28 verse number 16, the Bible tells indoda etwegama uJakobe ibalekela umfowabo yalala phezulu kwetshe kodwa yathi mayivuka ekseni yavuka ishaqekile yathi hayibo le ndawo lena inoJehova beyivakashela ubani uJehova. Because when God visits you, He's not just visiting you, He's testing your hunger for Him. So if God wants to make you a healer, He will direct you early in the morning with the worship that you listen to. And then when you listen to that worship, and then you follow through that worship, you start praying, and then He's testing your hunger. Do you want healing? Because He doesn't want to give you something you won't be proud of having. So He didn't just connect you with people with money. He connected you with people with money so that you can have a hunger for money. Not so that you can ask money or for money from those people. No, He's teaching you ways of making money. That is why Sundays go band to Abanema. So the visions He gave you, they sound and they seem like they're impossible. They are not impossible. They are possible. He's giving you hunger. He's testing you. That is why when you think of money, ukabang 200, ukabang a million. Why am I thinking in millions? He's testing you. Are you hungry for it? What does it do? It brings it close and it shows you people who have it, and it shows you when you have it. But and then He will ask you, are you willing to take a journey or embark on a journey with me? In the end, you will achieve this. What if Moses kune Canaan and go mix up with? What you hold on, what total kune Canaan as so Moses was hungry for Canaan. And the Israelites were hungry for what? For Canaan. They walked 40 years to reach that space. Why is that? He was testing their hunger. Everything you need and everything you want to be, God will test your hunger by visiting you and touching you with it. Visitation is a level whereby God's eternal person or eternal level touches your life and your presence and a person. Level yaNkulunkulu lithinta wena kule level yakho uzama ukukuzwa ukuthi uyayifuna yini worship. There are days whereby when you are singing uzwe ukuthi hayingakhohlele. Uyizwe lengoma ukuthi hayibo ngiyahlabela. Uthi nawuthi uhlabela enye ingoma uzwe ukuthi bengidlala. But mawuthi uyabuyela kule ngoma le uzwe ukuthi hayi man ngiyakhohlele. He's testing you. Do you want to be a worship? There are days whereby when you pray uzwe ukuthi hayi man nomthandazo lona hayi man phela umthandazo lona uma nginezi mic esontweni khona into engenzeka. He's testing your hunger. He's testing if you want it. If you give up on it, it doesn't mean it wasn't given to you. You gave up on it. There are days where you're talking to a person, and when you're talking to them, yinzonke lezinto okhuluma ngazo yizinto ezenzeka empilweni yami. Ubuyaphi wena? Now, serious. In that way, you are losing the power and the potential to be a prophet. Because God was testing you with the word of knowledge. So He's checking if you are hungry for the word of knowledge. So when I wake up the next day, I say, Father, let there is all. That hunger creates what you call a habitation. You then own the realm if you show Him that you are hungry. That you are, because visitation is activation. Visitation is activation. When God visits you, He is activating you, and you start seeing yourself, even in your dreams, in front of many people. It's either you are not ministering to them, you are just talking about business. If you are a business person, and you're presenting your business in a dream. When you wake up, He checks you. He sends his angel to check you. Are you writing the dream down? Are you following patterns that will lead you to achieve that dream? Are you speaking in a manner of the person I showed you that you're supposed to be? Are you following through patterns and pathways that will lead you to this dream? Do you apply the discipline that is needed for you to become that person? He tests you every day. After the dream, he follows you. Abraham, live Paran. I'm taking you somewhere. But live in a blameless way. I'm following you. After he showed him that there is Paran, and he told him that there is another level beyond Paran. I will make you a father of many nations. I will follow you. Walk before me blamelessly. So now, after God has showed you something by prophecy, prophecy is an activation to the field and the sphere of your becoming. So let us obey you, see, verse a prophet. Uprofesi lento zoba yiyo siyiveze emthandazweni usibona uyilento usibona uyibambile lento bese uyakubuza uNkulunkulu akakuholi uyakulandela. Are you going to dress like the person they told you you're going to become? Are you going to sing like the person who is free? Are you going to be powerful like the person they told you that you're powerful? Will you read books that will align with what I told you? He's checking your hunger. Most people have potential, but they have never manifested. Why? Because these people never follow through the pathways that leads to the level where they will manifest their potential. So visitations of God. Every time I enter a service and I feel the wave of God, the hand of God, then I pray non-stop. But I can't pray the way I Sunday. That's what thinking I see. What song was sang in the service that triggered the prayer? I must find that song and I must find that artist. I must find that atmosphere. Then when I'm home, I activate it. Then God sees, oh, this one is hungry for me. Then if he sees that, oh, this one is hungry for me. When I hear a song that is touching me during a service, and I hear some certain beats that are touching me in the service, I pick up my cell phone. I do what? I record. Why am I recording? I want to say, Father, while this was playing, I need you now. And then when I say that, he says, oh, this is my place of habitation. That's why they only enjoy church services, but they don't know home visits from the Father. Uyihlalele ubhizi lapha uthi usathi ibhodo lakho lespinach ususpects apha suspects phezulu ihit iphansi lapha ko2 ithi iphakama bese banende kuqhubukela ngaphakathi kwakho uthi manje yini manje lena sengizwa lana kube nende vela ngaphakathi kwakho noma ingoma noma umthandazo but umangale what is it? I'm cooking here but akudlala ingoma kodwa bese yabuya lento yenzeke kuservice bese uzithola na uthi ukudlala lento seyiqhuphula into ngaphakathi manje so xa uyathandaza so mangale kwenzakalana is visiting you. Ujakobe bengeke esontweni beni makavakashela uNkulunkulu ngephupho bekasehlane akusho ukuthi wena gibela intaba ke uyocela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akuvakashele nami sengikhona uNkulunkulu ngisentabeni ngiqamele phezu kwetshe vela manje find a song. What were they singing in church that moved me? What were they preaching about in church that moved me? What were they talking about in church that moved me? Underline those things, write them down. Or when they talk about this, I'm activated. Something moves in me. I study about those things. Now you become an atmosphere that is in the 12th dimension in the spirit. You become the source of power. Because then also you master the realm, you master the portal, you master the dimension. When you enter church, when you see good long to pump wako, akayethuli lento, ahleza ethuna, kaniyadingeka namhlanje. What do? Father, such as I have, I give unto this person, so that the other person can feel what I felt and what I'm feeling right now. Visitation. When God visits you, some of you think that He will just touch my finances. No, He will touch your heart. asathi uDavide iguqule unginikeze entsha ususe le yetshe unginikeze yakho emnene eright. Ngisho mas. So the first thing it touches is not your finances. No, they are not. It's not your finances. It's your heart. He works with the heart. He deals with the heart because the heart is the throne room of God. There's a part of you that belongs to God. Scientists can't do that. They can't replicate that. They can't. But I'm telling you, there is a heart more than the heart. You see, do you know that neurologists don't understand how we have ideas? They don't really know to its depths. How is it that a person can sit down but have ideas? Beyond them, available idea and one way. Even when they search, there is something that supplies a human being with ideas. And when an idea enters your mind, they understand what the idea and Jehovah. I value the idea if in Japan a block funded. Nigga out to Jehovah Tandala, Tatala, Advashing an idea and a Kukuli Piloya. Fast so lahlengola ingane zakhe umprofeti omlethele idea wathi lamafutha asendlini yiwazokusiza hamba now. That idea changed the whole structure of the family. They became a sphere as there is amafutha. And amafutha in the old days mafuta afana namanje adurile because awezi malula. So visitation is when God touches your heart. Number 2, convicts your soul. Convicts your heart. So number 3, directs. He directs your destiny. Angathina kahle uNkulunkulu yakubonisa ukuthi ubhekaphi. Bekuzwa mhlawumbe ubheka le hayi lento le. Lalela na umuntu nami. Hayi lo. Suka kulokho. Thatha nakho. That's when God has visited you. When God visits you, it's not when you speak in tongues. It's what you get while speaking in tongues that will direct you when you stop speaking in tongues. So I speak in tongues not so that I can prove people that I'm powerful, but I speak in tongues to show them that I've entered the zone. You can't speak in tongues and then come out of the atmosphere of God and then tell people visitations are not permanent, they are tests. They are what? Wala khaya lo la ngaphandle ayigudugudu ngibona umuntu nemoto amapolisa sesihamba wala khaya lo. Let's continue now. Visitation are a test. They are what? A visitation is the trumpet blast announcing God's desire to dwell with a man. Makakuvakashela uJehova yabona into kwenza ukhali na ungazi ukuthi yini manje lesengiyenza yona ngifuna ukuhlala phansi indoda yami lana icrush yami lana yini manje lenza labazanga ndalapha yana Nkosi yami ngifuna ukuyibamba gagagale ya mama ya icrush yami ngeke sangishada uSolomon sekangibona ngenza la ufuna ukuyibamba lento ayifuna ukubambeka iyayikhulumela la ngaphakathi ubasta inewenga yo. Because when God really visits you, you should tandaza. Uba ne base ungenayo. Uma ngiyibona ngiyithatha lento lena manje. Angengishade la. Abavashela uNkulunkulu and then you start revising your life vele mina niyeke. Okunya kukona kwami. Ngoba ubani ungangimela ngimemeza ngalendlela le. Ubani ungangimela. And ayisisikheteli. Yazi ukuthi abanye benu you didn't know how you move until you started recording. Mokala buka umafitha sisondweni bese ngenzani ke bese ngenza ngota Jehova mina makuyima ngeindawo mshadweni ngikhohlwe emjolweni ngikhohlwe entweni nje vele singathi sifaka umhlaba ngenze njani. Visitation ay blast. uNkulunkulu indlela yakhe akutshela ngayo ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala nawe ngifuna ukuhlala kuwe ngoba makakuvakashela uNkulunkulu vele I'm telling you the truth lento zozenza zizowenza abantu basihlukanise nawe. Ubona nje abantu bakubheka kanje. Asayiphelile service ukhuluma nabo sanibona yeah. No? But visitation ngela if God really visited you I'm telling you. Bano bakubheka sabathi hello. Like a question because God has touched you. uNkulunkulu akane ndaba kakhulu nenyama makavakashela. uDavid wathi makabona umphongolo wezivumelwano kwakwathi unkosikazi endlini. Sekadansa uDavid abona uNkulunkulu amvakashela ngomphongolo wezivumelwano wadansa wazi wabangaka uDavid. Umfazi wathi dansa kanje phambi kwabantu wena, bhansa kanje phambi kwabantu, kanti kunento sayizwile is a visitation of God. Wamsebenzela uNkulunkulu uphinde uyibambe. Hayi akusengasuki. You forget ukuthi ufake makeup uzothi Semele ngiphume ke manje ngiyilungisa kanini ngami. Why uvakashela ubaba? Changes everything about your life. So vakashela changes everything about your utest ihanga yakho. Utesta yini? And you raise your capacity. Na vakashela ufuna ukubona ukuthi ukhona ukwenzani. I always tell you that you see me when I prophesy. Sometimes ngicrack ijoke phambi kwakho, ngicela ucrack ijoke phambi kwakho, bese ngitshela umuntu umbona khala. But ngicela ukuhleka naye manje. But bese ngiyahamba ngibheka le, mangihamba ngibheka le uyakhuluma baba, nangisuluka ngiza ngapha, akusasilo umuntu ebekahleka. So umuntu ohlele esihlalweni. Because if visitation check away your capacity yakho. That's what he's not teaching you to pray. So he's not teaching you to pray. He's checking if you have enough prayer in you to protect what is about to plant in you. So makavakashela uthandaza for an hour. Akusi ukuthi ufuna uthandaza for an hour. He's taking you incapacity yakho. Ukuthi when I repurpose this person, will they have power to protect this for an hour in prayer? So unusho ukuthi umthindule baba ku online prayer ngathandaza ngasangisakhona ukwenzani ngathandaza ngazingayakwangile bengakufundisa ukuthandaza bekakutheka ukuthi ungayiphatha yini into emeli ivikelwe ngomthandazo we-hour. Now okunye he's trying to test ukuthi the visions, the revelations, the scrolls he gives you, will you teach them as a fleeting fragrance, a perfume or a foundation? So when it gives me whatever idea, we have to check out how will I treat the idea. So I am allowed to treat it like a fragrance, a perfume, or a foundation. So if I prophesy once and someone says it's true, and I prophesy them, I deliver, and then they testify, I can just brush it off and be like, it was just my luck. So uNkulunkulu kamoya, the angels with you are recording that as a fleeting fragrance. Ningamnikeza iprofessor akayifuni. On the days when you want to prophesy, uzujabona lamanga propheta, lo muntu angasizakala ngikhombise Jehova, zithi ingelosi, we gave you the ability to prophesy, but you didn't have the capacity to get a hold of it. So our problem is not that as chronic receiver, as na capacity yokuyithwala lento. If 500 meals mangithela i1 liter kuyo, akusho ukuthi angeyigcwala izogcwala net le 1 liter enye beyond 500, le 500 enye yenza njani? Kuthekela phansi. Akazwani ngoJehova ukuchitha into yakhe phansi. Because there are people who are in need. So sometimes it tests you. That is why sometimes you have shallow stuff. Kuzwakala ukuthi lento ubekeza nayo futhi namandla ukuthi uphelele emoyeni. Why? Because awunayo capacity yokuthwala into enkulu. The capacity yokuthwala into enganani engasefana part lengiza nayo manje. Ngingakuhola 3000. Akusiko ukuthi awufundanga abakhona abangafundanga. Uyangizwa mos? But bahola okuningi. uJehova ukutesta nge-3,000 akubuza ukuthi can you tithe, can you give now, can you be faithful nge-3,000, can you start something nge-3,000. Athola nge-3,000 khona funa ngitithe ngapha funa ngibele ukunikela ngapha funa phinde ngiqale business njani 3,000. Other people bathola 200 bayakha baholelwe kanye baholelwe bakuphela indlu kodwa bakhe okuningi banezinto eziningi abazisebenzisayo and they are great now. Kunomama uphuma namagwinya ukasha abanye abantu basebenzela yena baselayinini li1 bahleli bo4 wena usho ukuthi hayi lo sisi lo ngeke ngimthengele lamagwinya athengiswa actually enziwa ebhodweni li1 uthi nje bahleli bang4 bayakwazi wena ukuthi lona uyamthanda lona umthanda so bahleli la labantu kuonwa yibo yonke lento yakuvula ke manje. That's how easy life is. He has tested you, the position akubeka kuyo encane wathi sheriff akafuna ukwenza sheriff ufuna ukwenza umuntu omkhulu even the company but ufuna ukubona ukuthi as a sheriff uyakhona and allocate izinto right noma uyehluleka. Umuntu akazi next lo uyaphapha uyaphakama ngemadlana encane ngoba nesimkhudlwana nona imali emashere phela ayisiningi kakhulu maybe nje 500 to 400 more than abantu abasebenzayo kodwa abasebenza phasapho kodwa abanye abasakhulumiseka abanye abaseze esontweni uNkulunkulu akhathalele lento yakhumbula ngisahlala emkhukhwini wa-apply i-RDP wayithola i-RDP wathi mawuhlala i-RDP u-RDP wahleka abasemkhukhwini uthi i-RDP yakho manje solo i-RDP lo bekahlala emkhukhwini so wakhe indle enkulu kunawo ngoba ngale RDP bowuthesta ukuthi umlomo wakho yini ngeke ubahlulele laba abaphansi. The oil of visitation prepares you for the weight of what is to come. So uNkulunkulu mayangithinta if I'm in church and he's touching me, he's telling me there is more. So bantu bese bavula amagwabha ngalokhu okumemezela lokhu okuzayo. I didn't start ministry leading. I started ministry serving. So if I failed ekubeni uAsha or ekubeni is servant in a church, bengeke angithathe ngibe yi-servant yakhe. So abanye benu nilinyaza lokho ukuthi uthenjwe ngento ephansi. uNkulunkulu ufuna ukunikeza into mara wena inkinga yini uphakeme kakhulu. Ukupha umuntu imali wathi at 0. Wathi ngiyayibonga kona kodwa faka angiphinde nginikeze enye. That's how God acts. I'll give you something. Can you be glad ngalo ngikunikeza kona? It doesn't mean there is nothing else. Ngifuna ukukutesta ngalokho. If you are not glad uyabalisa phela wona manje. Abanye abakahola mhla ka25 bazohola manje mhla ka 30 something angisho manje. Kodwa lo muntu le holo lakho uyalibalisela akalibongi. uJehova ngeke akumixe phezulu. Uyohlala endaweni eyi-1. Visitation are not just casual appearances, they are invitations into habitation. When God wants to dwell in you, uyakuvakashela. Uyakhumbula ukuthi mawuka grade 6 wawushaya ama distinction. Kodwa grade 7 yakhumbula mawuka grade 8 wakumnandi. Yabona grade 10 oh no, grade 10 not ukubona incwadi uyibonga so usho ukuthi la siyophasa ngenkosikelelo angindawo mina la angindawo la bantu bathi hayi mina ngiyasibona nje sengiyakuqeda isikole wena manje yabo awekho into ezoyiphasa la mina lento lena ngiyayifunda kodwa ayingeni uthi nokuqeda ukudadisha ube incwadi so now to Bintu beka utana ingqondo yangishiya manje angisakhona ukubamba manje. You were tested at the lower level. You were supposed to spread the knowledge and help others. I think we've seen it on our prayer, right? I was praying for another woman and casting out a demon. What did she do? She flee from one place and she touched a queue, a line of people, close to 12 people, before she fell. That's how demons act. When you cast them out, they move and they distribute themselves as fast as possible. When a spirit sees that it is losing its area of habitation, it hunts for weaker vessels. Then it plants itself so that when I was on focus, I was that is why so that let me see shy thoroughly. That's not when you claim. This is when you claim. When you receive power, you are supposed to touch as many as possible soon after receiving the power. If spirits, when they are cast out, they multiply quickly. It means you are a spirit. So when you receive power, multiply it quickly. Fast here. Don't wait for the end of the service. Now. Do you know how many pastors have disqualified me, Mr. Penn? A lot. A lot. Because pastors believe that in a service, you have to start in the right way. Greetings, saints, in the name of Jesus. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing us. Thank you for coming to our church. God is good. All the time. All the time. That's how pastors want it to be, not me. When I hold the mic, Then the father say, pray. Oh, ukuthi ngathatha hour angeni. Mina ukuthi ngathatha hour. Usho ngiyangena wena. Ngikhuluma nobaba la. And after praying, and he says, distribute the power. Oh, same time after receiving the power, I release it same time. Ukuthi wena uyilindele ukuthi ngishumayele. Yebo, usikhala. Sethula umuntu la omdala wasezulwini. We are distributing it as soon as possible. I learned it from Jesus. Jesus will be preaching like this in powerful manner, in a powerful manner. Glad to know Gula Abam bin Shumayan at yay loose up in the Shumayan. When I am waiting for the end of the service, altar call. In between Tonsale and Mama. That's what is needed. When you receive power for a particular person, release it now. Because you don't know if you have the capacity to contain that power for a long period of time for the next person. Because immediately when you receive a power, when you release it, you will receive an anger for the next person. You will release an anger for the next person. Same time, keep. Same. Sometimes you see me when I'm prophesying, I'll be prophesying a person, then I stop, then I prophesy the next one. Why? They are fine. It has already matured in me. But this one is quick and fast. But then I go there, I prophesy, I pray for the person. Propheting at the same time. Why? The power I receive has to be released now. Same time. I'm teaching you how to work with God with efficiency. Some people are not effective, but they are working with God. Why? I want to do that I can keep. Why? Ulindela a certain atmosphere. That's when we say kona nonke. Sakathi hello sokho. Hey Baba, hey, if God says now, do it when? Don't wait for it. He visited you to take you. Ukuthi ngahlala endalo. Now what nesiclass is night every day and in every service. Manje nje ngihamba la endleleni ngiyabazi abantu ababathanda uyanda ndanzi makathi siyakudinga moyo ngcwele. Mina ngithanda uDumi Mkokstad. Makahlabele ngoma leyo. Makathi siyakudinga moyo ngcwele because the words awashoyo lapho because kunamagama athi ongenile nakunenkazimulo yakho khona uthi angeke aphinda afane. Lo munye uthi moyo ngcwele siyakudinga for ini lo munye yachaza athi ngoba ongenile la kunenkazimulo yakho khona athi angeke aphinda afane. So ngihlabela yona ngizangapha nje ngoba ngithi baba siyongena ngifuna bafanele abantu. And ngifuna baphuma lapha bakhulume ngami, ngifuna bakhulume ngawo. So abantu ngifaka manje ukuvakashela uJehova. People pray for me to come to their house. Bantu bakuthandazela ukuthi ngize emzini yabo. Mina ngithandazela ukuthi ufana umithe uJehova kakho. Nibe ile ndoda ezokhona ukusondeza uJehova kabani ka uthi azingisukela lapho kule sonto lelo wazi kami sekumnandi uNkulunkulu ngivakashela nginamaphupho akaqayo sengiyambona ongekho right. Why? Because I met the prophet and I distribute that power. Distribute that. That's God. That's God. Habitation. Bala number 2. Oh, why mina ngishumela kangaka? Why Jehovah? Then habitation. Habitation is when God visits. The God who visited you chooses to stay or decides to stay. He no longer appears as a guest now. He is enthroned in your heart. So other people are good with visitations. Other people, after visitation, there's what we call habitation. So there are people who can heal you once. They will never heal you if you again. They no longer have that power. Because abazange bayi matura, abazange bayi usa, abazange bayi nuchara, leo dimension of visitation. So abasana amandla. Ekhumbula ukuthi ekhaya kini manje sakhulu malume beka rich. Kodwa manje akanamali. Lenhlanhla yemali yamvakashela kodwa yena akazange ayimastara kwaphela. Hey lapha ufuna ngingabekisi ngabo Josepha. Angibekise ngoba lo moko maziyo na ukuthi waye kadane imali manje khwe. So uhleli phansi nje uyambona ukuthi yabona imali yayila. It just lelidurile ngesikhathi but manje ayisebe akazange aba nehabitation indawo yokuyibeka lento kuyigcina forever kuyigcina for He no longer appears as a guest but he enthrones himself as a king. I want him as a king in my life. Mina ngifuna uNkulunkulu osivakashelayo azathi umuntu sivakashele eJehova ula usukhona ula ngeke ngitshela namthandaza la omnye umama wathi imfundisi ustrong ngalento oyishoyo ngathi vakasha kwamanye amasonto lapho phela ngesabi umuntu mina mangabe uyavakasha kwamanye amasonto lapho kodwa Elohim into lihlala khona mabakufuna bakulandela vakasha kwesinye indawo kodwa la funa uNkulunkulu vakasha mina i-guest yazi guest inkinga yana nani ngoba awuyazi ukuthi izigula noma izingaguli ijabulile noma ijabulayo kodwa mawuhlala naye as your father uyamazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi akumjabulisi lokho akakuthandi lokho. That's why people abacala ukungibona they don't know izinto ezingangijabulisi mina. So if I'm prophesying you cleavage yakho ngaphandle sengivele ngikwatile mina kodwa ngiyoqhubeka ngoprophet kodwa sengikwatile because cleavage yakho ngaphandle phela wena bowusuka endlini yoveza cleavage yakho bowufunani sasa prophet la cleavage yakho ngaphandle mina ngisajabulanga ayisekho injabulo kimi because why are you dressed like this coming to church but to a funeral you don't dress like this. Boyfriend yakho le ngeke kulobola awugcoka nje uze sontweni manje ugcoka ngaleyo ndlela leyo sengiyaprofeta la yes man of God mshayela esibona bathuka sithatha ilabhe elikhulu sivale la elimnyama sifase ifinde elikhulu la nomba ukuthi yakwata sinandaba na ugcoke njani nomzo sontweni can you understand God bathi abanye ngiyahlalo kahle that's God nazi bathi uhlala kahle noma bathi uyahlala kahle la Psalms 102 verse number 2 habitation is continuity uNkulunkulu uqhubeka asebenze nawe. Are you not tired of having God in a service but being powerless outside of service? When you are in service with the sons of Elohim you are too powerful, but when Skala was endlini you are powerless. Aren't you tired? You need habitation. You need Psalms 102 verse number 12. Palapas. I'm running through my notes. It is the river of his presence that never dries. It never runs dry. We have no uNkulunkulu. Hayi mina ngomfana ngisendlini. Mawukhuluma nami la ndlebeni, sengivela mina sisiprophet sakho. Nethi ngiyazibuza ukuthi are you okay ukuthi ngikunikeze na? Sengivela mina sisiprophet sakho. Manje lokhu mawukhuluma nami efonini, uNkulunkulu uthi ukhuluma yena abe yena enzani? Akhuluma. Because I never ran out of prophecy. I was born to prophesy. Nyangizwa what? That's good. 1 Corinthians 6 verse number 19. We're running through the notes. 1 Corinthians 6 verse number 19. Yangikhumbula Israel bekahamba nomphongolo ozimana ngisho. Yeah, bagcina bakithembele. Wathola umphongolo uhlalela uNkulunkulu ahlezi akuphi? Allah. That's what we need. God that stays with you every day. That stays with you every day. That's good. The oil of habitation sanctifies your thoughts. uNkulunkulu makahlala nawe ke into emnandi ukuthi nemicabango yakhe iba right. Kwanda ngasakhona ukuyicabanga mina. Ngangibona umuntu ayikhuluma ngithi lo muntu usecabanga kanje. Yazi nabantu esiyakhuluma nabo bakanti siyabazonda asithanda indlela yabo yokucabanga. Mina nje angiboni ukuhleka ukuthi ngihlekani nje mina ngibona unyathelo omunye umuntu. Ngibona nje ubiza omunye umuntu uthi ikafela. Bese lento lo iposta online uthi ngihleka njani ungibiza ngekafela. How is that fun? Ungibiza ngekafela. Ikafela mina. And uyibone lento right onwaza iposta phambi kwabantu. Is that okay? No, it's not okay. Mo celebrate ukuwa komunye umuntu uzujabule ukuthi uzibani ufile, uzujabule uthi mina ngenze njani ngihleka angizondi wena ngizondi indlela yakhe yokucabanga. Hlana naNkulunkulu kusenza us understand ukuthi angizondi umuntu but le indlela yakhe yokucabanga. Hayi. Engifast ke mina la ukhipha umuntu hayi. Indlela yakhe yokucabanga. Indlela yakhe yokucabanga. Yalazo hlobo lithi malingena imali lifuna ukusikhomba ukuthi ingenile. Yayishuda libambe uyabotha kathi wayena ukuba nayo bese lifaka lapha ku status thina sinamadoda asithandayo uvela ubona ukuthi shem iyaqala ukumupha namhlanje mina ngijwayele ukuthenga igrocery yasekhaya ngisho yabona mina ngijwayele ukwenzani yakuphi ukwangibona ngipost umama negrocery ngithi ngimthengela igrocery anje into ngijwayele abangajwayelanga bathi nabathengela bomama abo amagrocery apost noma umbona azajabula uyethuka uthi yabona ungabe kwenzakale. Kunoma mama ngithenga igrosa akasasho na uthi vele cha usiyabonga umntana wami ngoba yinto ayaziyo nayijwayele. Yasibona wena injabulo yakhe yabonakala ukuthi okunye ukujwayelanga. Thina sesijwayele ukuhamba noNkulunkulu. Have you seen me acting up when I'm touched by God? No. But when I'm talking to you, na phela ufuna ngize kuwe vele. Ninjalo. Angisho ukuthi usibambe vele usazoqala lapha. Yeah, usazoqala lapha. But when you grow and mature in the spirit, He will touch you and then you look at the person. Abakwaziyo bazobona ngamehlo. Lo muntu yebo ula kodwa akasekho la. Uye yena kodwa akusasuyi. Uyangizwa muzi. Uye yena kodwa akusa. Yeah, sekukhona into esengigibele manje. Basho njalo phela abantu ngoba basinto. Sekunento ephezulu kwakhe ke manje. You can feel futhi the presence yomuntu, the atmosphere yomuntu. Awona lo sekunento ephezulu kwakhe manje. Usho ukuthi omunye manje nangabe upowerful noma podcast wakho akawe ngani. Nithi buka naye. Naye nale yesaba umthinta. Buka nale yesaba. Mangithinta ithi khonda izwayo naye. And then what do we do when we work with podcasts, when we're praying for people, we secure them in prayer. So that banga we phela na. Bese ngiyosengikanda ubani. Ngoba niyabona abantu bawudonsa lo tile lo awutholakala eMaraba Star. Lo sebawudonsile ke manje uma uthayi waseMario Casas sesengiyena lapho basi. Hayi ukuthi sengithini ngithi Nkosi yami iMario. Abashipi la die. So we secure the people around us, then we pray, then we do what? How much we know that as a bamba? How would you mean? Who should not pay? Baba, yes, what I know, I want the suit. Man, the suit. And you go any, Saga Nigel Pillar to Nave, the Tangai Tabula for Yan Nigel, Saga Nigel Mo. So the armchairs. Apostle Johnson Solomon said it. Oguti, one I never found this one service. But the protocol, I found this by Tingan protocol, have a question. Putting I band, which I moved from the pulpit. Then I went to the people. Which man be the pulpit, now decide I will never go to the people in that protocol. Because the suit in the light of when unbars abantu mina when they want power. Umuntu nenkinga yakhe engafuna ukusuka bese wena uthi not you this one olodlolo ngiyomthinta mina ngiyombamba ngeke ngimiyeke ngize nami ngireceive le power ngeke aphilisa abanye abantu. So people can get a hold of ngalimala. So funa secure lapha ngaze bese sengibuyela phezulu lapha sengidabukele impahla.